Good morning everybody, back on the plot today. Yes, it's bright up and it's actually not bad, although the temperature has gone down and it's going to go down even further, and it's only a matter of time before we're going to get a frost. So anyway, it's been a few days since I've been down to the plot, because you know what it's like when you come down to the plot and you've got one thing in mind you want to do, and there's a dog having a wee. anyway, you come down the plot to do something, and then when you get here, something else takes priority. So for me, it was the mud path. I just could not manoeuvre on it, and yes, so I decided I wouldn't record at that time. I just put my head down and get the job done, and I moved a lot of my books anyway, a lot of bark, and you know, it's like you just get on with it, and you delve deep and you get the job done. And I went home and I thought, well, Sophie, you didn't do too bad there, got no, aching or anything like that. I thought, Sophie, you did a good job there. Well, wasn't that day, and it wasn't the next, but the day after, I thought someone had ripped my leg off and beat me with the soggy end. I was just, yeah, so I wasn't fit for purpose. So now I'm back on even keel, and I'm back here to do the onions, because it's only a matter of time now before we're going to get frost, and before I lose all the onion sets, I'm going to get on with it. Let's get cracking. Quick shufty of the Brussels sprouts. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's go around this side. Yeah, not doing too bad. Only little ones, not littles. They're not bad. They're not blown anyway, so that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Yep. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Let's have a look. Yeah, keep them nice and protected. That's lovely. So anyway, this is my rudimental, freshly barked, well, it's whatever that was at the top of the site at the time, path, and I just had to get the mud covered over. I just couldn't manoeuvre, so now I can move. Yeah, it's just getting ridiculous, it was. Yeah, so I've just gone this far anyway to the next plot, this one here. This is not so bad, it doesn't get that much use, so I'll get around to it. And yes, this as I say, this is all going to be done properly later on next year. Well, later on, i.e. the beginning of next year, but it suffices anyway, just to get some traction on here, because it was just so silly. It was just literally clods. So yeah, so as I say, I've come to do the onion sets, and the first thing I'm going to do is put the kettle on. Thought I'd just take a quick caption of the blackberry and the beautiful colours on it. Yeah, so pretty it is. Yeah, look at that. As I say, nature's fireworks. What beautiful colours. Okay. They have to go in, otherwise they go, as soon as we get some frost, that'll be them. So let's get these red onions. I don't know, I've got, that's a bit soggy, that's no good. Out. Yeah, this one. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, it's gone soggy around the sides. And you feel it's actually firm on the inside. Oh, what the heck, I'll give it a go, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. My dog's in the background having a a merry old bark to himself. So he always does that when he comes down here. Don't know what he can hear. You can obviously hear something. But yeah. There's not any more. There's another one. I'll dig a hole for that. Get the more spacing right. Let's see what you belong there, you belong there. Yeah. Give enough space anyway. Not too deep, not too shallow. Let's do it like free from the hip. That's it. Just feel like if you feel that that's the depth that you want. Anyway, yeah, that's all good. It's got nice compost. This is a homegrown compost. Nice, it's settled in nicely. Like that. Yeah. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Gosh, that thing's cold. That's a bit soft as well. Now, well, let's get them in. Let's have a look. Get some onions out of this. Even if we've got a slack handful, it wouldn't be so bad. I've got some other onion sets I haven't actually shooted yet. Again, these are winter red onion, 24th. No, it wasn't May I planted, 24th of August. What am I talking about May from? I can't read my own writing. Okay, now that'll be enough for today. I've got like 90% of the onions in. Now there's stuff them everywhere, you know. Yeah, I was landed up buying too many onion sets. There's more here, just stuffed a couple of rows in there. And what have I done? I'll just take it this way. Okay, so this one's done. These two are done. Yes. Oh my god, I have to fix the greenhouse again. That's sticking up the top. Okay, wind, honestly. I don't know. Anyway, I've got that done. And I'll tell you, it's more traction now that I've got back down. I can get around now. Right, so I've got some there, and I've got some here. Onions coming out my ears. I've got one bed over there. That one there. And over there, there's some more onions as well. So, yeah, that'll be enough. Enough for just now anyway. Alright then, I'll finish now. That's my little job done today. I'm going to see if I can tend to the greenhouse before I go. So, yeah,